Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday until Monday, June 18 to 21, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. The Philippines is clear, except for the areas of the northern portions of extreme northern Luzon, including Batanes and Babuyan Islands, where southwesterly surface winds will prevail. This is the weak Habagat, but there will be some passing isolated rain showers and thunderstorms within this wind system. It is being enhanced by a frontal system, or a Mayo front, to the south of Japan, all the way towards the eastern and central portions of southern China. And we have a high pressure area over Guam, wherein its ridge is extending up to the Bicol region, where we are experiencing some good weather right now. And outside of PAR, we are now monitoring a new low pressure area which developed overnight. This is Tropical Disturbance, or LPA 94W. It developed from a surface trough and the intertropical convergence zone. And it is in the vicinity of Chuuk State in Central Micronesia, and also southwest of Pohnpei State. And this system is showing signs of intensification into a tropical cyclone within the next couple of days as it moves towards the northern Marianas, that includes Saipan and Guam. So folks down here at Guam and Saipan must be prepared for the possible passage of this potential tropical cyclone. Both of the American and the European model suggest the development of this system, wherein the American model is more aggressive, becoming a typhoon as it passes northwest of Guam. So we are going to observe this. A sudden shift towards the west will enhance the southwest monsoon across the western sections of the Philippine Islands. But if the potential track will push through, it will remain a weak southwesterly winds across the western sections of our country. And we'll keep you updated, especially next week. This is the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin satellite server, Himawari 8. And you can clearly see here nothing across the Philippine Islands except for some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly along the mountains of northern and central Luzon. As you can see here on the zoom-in satellite animation, as the evening sets in, we could see the dissipation of some localized thunderstorms across Mindanao and portions of the Visayas. These thunderstorms originated in the afternoon, as well as here over the mountains of Benguet, the southern portions of Cordilleras, and also over the areas of Pampanga and Zambales. So these are short-lived thunderstorms. In the Bicol region, there's a small thunderstorm that passed over the Partido district and also along the northern portions of Albay. So far, that's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. Let's go back to the fast animation. Here's the LPA that we are observing. This is LPA 94W, which is expected to develop as it moves towards Guam and Saipan. Let's take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday. Expect some possible rain showers and thunderstorms across the western sections of western Visayas, as well as Palawan, because of the southwesterly surface wind flow, and also some portions of central and western Mindanao and some areas also of Soxgen, while the eastern sections of Luzon will remain dry with some lower chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And as we look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, it will remain the same, except during Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the southwesterly surface wind flow will begin to affect Palawan and western Visayas, and some portions of the Bicol region will have the southwesterly surface wind flow, but it's not enough to bring lots of rainfall. It depends on how close it will be over the Philippine Sea, but so far the forecast based on the American model, it shows that the potential cyclone will pass very close Guam, and it will start to move northward just outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. The Philippine area of responsibility is along this line, okay, pardon my crooked line. So that's the power line. So most of the forecast of the American model is along the periphery of the Philippine area of responsibility, is still outside. So there you go. That's the main track that would occur based on the forecast of the American model. We're still waiting the forecast from the European model. Probably by Monday we will give you the update on that. The European model only suggests as a tropical depression or a active low pressure area, but we shall see by next week, particularly Monday, if the European model intensifies this potential tropical cyclone LPA 94W. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Friday until and this forecast is until Monday, and we'll be returning again on by early next week to give you more update on this potential cyclone and also the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Happy weekend to all. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.